We're proud to officially open our new Apex location at 566 Nye Avenue in Irvington, New Jersey. This office expands our presence in the community and allows us to provide more access to the care our patients rely on, all in a space designed for efficiency, coordination, and comfort. Thank you to everyone who joined us for our open house. It was a privilege to connect with members of the community, introduce our physicians and staff, and share more about the services we provide. At Apex, we deliver full-spectrum cardiac and vascular care, from prevention and early detection to advanced diagnostics and minimally invasive treatment options when appropriate. Our focus remains on thoughtful, evidence-based medicine and long-term patient health. In addition, we treat knee pain, osteoarthritis, and musculoskeletal arthritis, offering responsible, modern solutions that help patients maintain mobility and independence. This new Irvington location reflects our continued commitment to accessible, comprehensive care close to home. We're now fully operational at 566 Nye Avenue, and we look forward to serving you.